You cannot open an EX4 file by double-clicking it. This is a compiled program specifically for MetaTrader, and it needs to be placed in a very specific folder to work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you exactly where to drag and drop this file so it executes. To quickly determine if the EX4 file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried-and-true software here and later on. The EX4 extension falls under the executable file category. It uses the MetaTrader Program File format. The EX4 file type is a proprietary compiled financial script used by the MetaTrader 4 MT4 platform. It contains binary code for automated trading strategies, expert advisors, and indicators, and cannot be edited or viewed as source code. Its purpose is secure distribution of trading logic. Developed by MetaQuotes, the design rules are closed source and focus on compilation and security. The format ensures the code is executed rapidly by the MT4 engine, but restricts user access to the underlying MQL4 source code, preventing tampering with proprietary trading logic. MetaQuotes. MetaTrader, engineered by MetaQuotes Software Corp., is the application of choice for EX4. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows cannot preview embedded instructions, so user caution and proper tools are required. We need to force an application link, right-click your EX4 file, then click Open with, prioritize MetaQuotes MetaTrader if you see it. If not, test the next program. Sometimes it's a hidden application that works. The problem with this EX4 file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, check folder location. Ensure the .x4 file is placed in the correct subfolder, e.g. MQL4 Indicators or MQL4 Experts, within the MetaTrader data directory. The terminal must find the file in the specific required directory structure to load it. Next, refresh the terminal. Right-click the navigator window inside MetaTrader and select Refresh, or restart the entire MetaTrader terminal. The platform must be instructed to scan the folder structure again to list the newly added EX4 file. Finally, check version compatibility. Ensure your MetaTrader 4 application is updated to the latest build. An EX4 file compiled with a newer version of the MT4 platform may not run on an older version. If the Open with method failed, the issue lies in the file's structure. Advanced analysis software is now the recommended solution to attempt. To save time, use FileMagick. It guarantees access to almost any EX4 format. Find the link at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session. Wishing you the very best.